Welcome back, beautiful people, to another session of vocab with me, Anmol in association tutorial. Today we are starting a new letter M. 50 words, basic of which are presented henceforth. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Mad, pagal. He went mad after losing his job. Made, banaya. She made a beautiful painting. Magic, jadoo. The magician performed an amazing trick. Mail, dark. I received an important mail today. Main, mukhya. The main reason for the failure was poor planning. Make, banana. She knows how to make delicious cakes. Mall, it's a shopping mall. He went to the mall to buy clothes. Man, admi, manav. He's a kind-hearted man. Map, naksha. I used a map to find my way. Mark, nishan. She got full marks in math. Mask, mukhota. He wore a mask to protect himself from dust. Mass, drivyaman. The mass of the earth is immense. Mat, chatai. She placed the mats near the door. Match. Mel khana, pratiyogita. The football match was exciting. May, sakta hai. You may leave early today. Tumhe allowed hai. Modal verb. Meal, bhojan. We had a delicious meal at the restaurant. Mean, matlabi, ya, matlab. He is a mean person. Meat, months. He does not eat meats. Meat. Milna. I will meet my friend at the cafe. Melt. Pighalna. The ice started to melt in the sun. Mess. Gadbad. His room is always in a mess. Might. Sakta hai ya shakti. He might come to the party. The might of kings is to be respected. तो वहां पे might हो गया शक्ति. Milk, दूध. I drink milk every morning. Mill. पीसना या वो चक्की जहां पे पिसता है mill. The wheat is processed in the mill. Mind, दिमाग या ध्यान देना. She has a sharp mind. Mine, मेरा, खदान. The book is mine. For a gold mine. छोटा, mini. She bought a mini fridge. Miss, चूकना या याद करना. I miss my childhood days. Mix, मिलाना या मिश्रण. She mixed all the ingredients well. Model, namuna ya adarsh. She is a role model for many students. Mom, ma. My mom makes the best food. Month, mahina. My birthday is in the month of July. Mood, manodasha. She is in a happy mood today. Moon, chandrama. The moon looks beautiful tonight. More, adhik. I need more time to complete my work. Most, adhikansh. She scored the most marks in the class. Mother, mata. My mother is my biggest inspiration. Motor. Motor, engine motor hota hai. The car's motor stopped working. Mount. Chadna ya parvat. They decided to mount the hill. Mouse. Chuha. The mouse ran across the kitchen. Mouth. Move. Open your mouth for the dentist. Move. Hilna ya chalna. We decided to move to a new city. Much. Bahut adhik. There is not much water left. Mud. Kichad. His shoes were covered in mud after the rain. Mug. Hamla karna. He drank coffee from his favorite mug. Mule, khachar. The farmer used a mule to carry goods. Music, sangeet. I love listening to music while studying. Must, avashya. You must submit your assignment by Monday. My, mera. This is my favorite book. Mystery, rahasya. The case remains a mystery to the police. That's that for today. I shall see you in the next one.